Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Ace Money to a bank in Nepal. And well, this is pretty simple. What we're going to do is open our browser and type in Ace Money Transfer, okay? And then we're going to search for it. Here, I'm already on what would be the search results, and I'm going to click on the first result that appears on the screen. Let's suppose I want to send money from the United Kingdom to Nepal. So here I set the United Kingdom, and down here I set Nepal as the destination country for the funds. We click this button, and well, now it's going to start loading. What we're going to do is specify how we're going to send the money. After that, we choose the method we're going to use to send the money. The amount in the currency of the country of origin, okay? And here we would see how much that person would be receiving in their local currency. So we click this button, and we'll have to fill in our information and the information of the person who will receive the money, right? And of course also our payment details to proceed and complete the payment. It's pretty simple. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please comment and subscribe.